Let's talk about the weather. The weather changes every day. On a sunny day, the sky is blue and clear. The sun shines and it feels warm. Sometimes clouds move across the sky. They can be white and fluffy or dark and gray. When it rains, water falls from the clouds. It can be light and soft or heavy and loud. On a rainy day, we carry an umbrella. It keeps us dry when we walk outside. On windy days, the air moves quickly. The wind can be light or very strong. Sometimes there is a storm. Thunder is a loud sound, and lightning is a bright flash of light. The weather is hot in summer and cold in winter. The temperature tells us how hot or cold the air is. In the hot summer, it can be 35 degrees. In the winter, it sometimes snows. Snow is soft and white, and it covers everything. There are 4 seasons. Spring is warm, summer is hot, autumn is cool, and winter is cold. We wear different clothes for different weather. On a cold day, we put on a warm coat. We can check the weather forecast. It tells us if the next day will be sunny, cloudy, or rainy. The weather is part of every day. A clear sky and some warm sunshine can make everything feel a little better.